Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you. This time is going to be a little more in-depth, Aquarius. We'll go into your feelings, their feelings, and see what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aquarius, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'll have your action cards and your dialogue message cards. So for the duration of this reading, I will be calling this side person A and this side person B. If this is your story, you'll know immediately which side you resonate best with. Okay. Action cards, and bottom of my deck I have the Emperor. Somebody wants to now take back control of the situation, it seems. Take back power, take back control. I don't know what's happening here because this Emperor is very, very sure of what they want. They want to come out of this feeling of feeling sad or regret or unhappiness. Whatever has happened between the two of you, one person is feeling very burdened by whatever's happened, right? They want to come out of the zone of feeling sad and rejected and feeling guilty or whatever misery that they find themselves in. They want to come out of that. But the other person is concerned. The person B is also feeling that, I'm the only one who's been giving to this connection. I feel drained out. I don't feel my partner, refills my cup of love. But heart of hearts, I think even person B wants to end this fight. So before I move on, Aquarius, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification process. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person spirit. Oops, that's too many. Okay, just one more. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person spirit. They could say something to each other. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from another deck, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person. All right. Okay, good to go, Aquarius. The first card here says, I pray for you all the time and do healing work on your behalf. Secretly doing things behind your back. Just know that I'm sorry. I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? I'm afraid that if I come back into your life, I'll hurt you again. Are you sorry for hurting me? No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. So Aquarius, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius, please. Stress management. Yes, I do see two people who are very stressed out and wanting to come out of that, feeling very burdened. But Aquarius, please take care of yourself because from this card I gather you are going through a lot of stress. So try and do things which can, help you. Maybe just go for a walk, listen to music, or treat yourself to something nice. Don't overthink whatever's happening here. Remember one thing in life, Aquarius, the only constant in life is change. Nothing lasts forever, not even us, right? So good times, bad times, fights, happy times, joyous moments, they all come and go. No point taking on that stress, which is going to give you ill health. So let's begin. So for person A has the 5 of Cups in reverse with the 10 of Wands. Why is that, Spirit? 5 of Cups in reverse and the 10 of Wands. They're not happy. They're not happy with the way that this connection is going. They want to come out of this zone. They have been feeling burdened, very, very burdened, and they just want to be stress-free. They don't like this pressure anymore. They don't want to be under pressure. They want to drop all this burden that they've been carrying, maybe whatever's happening between the two of you, because they don't feel happy. They just don't want to live in sadness and regret for the rest of their life. So what is this 10 of Wands, Spirit? What is this 10 of Wands? They feel neither of you are really coming towards the other person with an apology. No one's really investing into this connection. Just time is getting wasted here. So person A really hopes that, things can get better. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? The World. What's this World card, Spirit? World card. I think things were pretty good in the recent past. Somebody wanted to, things were pretty good. There was equal balance, there was equal give and take, there was love here as well. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. What happened here? Ace of Pentacles. Something came out. Something came out about somebody having a brand new beginning, which left the other person feel a bit isolated. They didn't want to be alone. They didn't want to be alone or left by themselves or something like that. Something came out. There was some revelation or some secrets came out about somebody having a brand new start or something. And what's this Justice card, Spirit? What happened in this recent past here? What's this Justice card? It made somebody feel very ungrounded. It made somebody feel very ungrounded. They felt that person was leaving, or they felt somebody was, I don't know. So it's very confusing reading. Why is the Justice card here then, Spirit? Yeah, they felt the right thing would be to maybe stay together or keep balance in the home or relationship. Something happened where maybe one partner had to leave. How does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Queen of Swords. They feel their partner's mind is made up. Their partner's mind is absolutely made up, and they're not happy about that. They're not happy about that at all. They're not feeling any happiness. In fact, they're feeling very depressed here, Aquarius. 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups. Why is there confusion here? They feel they are. This person is feeling really sad. They feel they've lost power. They've lost control. They don't have... I don't know. They feel confused. Why do they feel confused, Spirit? Yes, they feel that person is no longer interested in putting in any work, solid work towards them or their connection or their home, and they're not happy about that. Let's say person B. Person B feels the Queen of Cups in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Queen of Cups in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse. All right. So this person is angry, very upset, not feeling very loving at the moment. They're feeling there is no emotional happiness. I'm not being supported, maybe. Maybe they just want to end a chapter with the person A right now. They don't want to fight anymore. Five of Wands in reverse. What's this Five of Wands in reverse? Yeah, they feel we're just not on the same page. We're not being able to work together. One more. Five of Wands in reverse. Person B feels that there's some person A puts blockages in their life, or they don't want to move towards person B anymore. No, they do want to. Person B wants to move towards something stable, but they feel they are being halted by maybe person A. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Hierophant in reverse. They feel constricted. They feel held back. They feel their forward movement is being constrained by rules and regulations. They feel they are being held back. Ace of Wands in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse. They want to put an end to all these rules and regulations, and if this is a commitment or something, they feel that somebody holds them back from pursuing what they want to pursue. This person is not feeling very happy about it, person B. So how does person B feel about person A now, Spirit? Person B feels that justice is not being done in the situation. Why is that? Justice in reverse. Why is the Justice card in reverse? Yes, they feel their person is trying to hold them back or call them back or something by being emotionally manipulative. They don't want them to fulfill their dreams. But person B is quite adamant. They are also protecting themselves. Even though I think there's a lot of conflict, there's a lot of fighting, I think person B is still trying to hold their own, which is kind of creating some kind of a bad blood in this Four of Wands, this stability between the two of you. Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands in reverse. Four of Wands in reverse. Person B is feeling that their person is very egoistic, very prideful, and not doing justice. What are they manifesting? Yes, but I think person B is manifesting some kind of a balance to come into this connection, or healing to come into this connection. They do want to have victory, whether it's in their own life or with person A, or to be supported, I don't know. But right now they feel, let's see, person A, will you take any action towards person B? Strength in reverse. Why is that in action? Why is that in action? They are feeling weak at the moment because they feel they are being left behind, or they are feeling left out in the cold or abandoned by person B. So what action will they take, Spirit? They want to have communication. They want to talk to person B. They feel person B is very angry and very upset with them at the moment. But they do want to maybe make up with person B. They do see their person B as their perfect spouse. So even though they know that their person could be very upset and angry, they do want to communicate with them and maybe make things right and say or do the right thing now. But right now they are maybe not doing it immediately because they feel weak. They feel left behind or something like that. Person B, will you take any action towards person A? Nine of Wands in reverse. Why is that in action? Why is that in action? Person B is Person B is, I don't think they're taking any action either. They're feeling quite betrayed. They're feeling very emotional at the moment. They feel person A doesn't love them at all. They feel betrayed by person A. They feel person A is being a narcissist and is being cold and mean to them and rude to them, and there's too much stagnation now in this connection. So person B has a lot of grudges here. But from what I'm feeling, Aquarius, person B feels that person A is being mean to them. From what I feel, person A is just insecure. So they're projecting their insecurities onto person B and giving them the impression that they don't love them or they want to stop them or something like that. In reality, person A is feeling insecure. So, because they want to be seen as the emperor in the relationship, they want to be the person who is powerful, the person who is, in control. And I think they will come forward because heart of hearts, they really do love person B. So, yes, manage your stress, work things out, have that conversation, Aquarius. I'm sure things will be all right. So, yes, you can happily release this, whatever toxicity that there has come into this connection. Okay? Talk it out. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.